Over the past 60 years, scientists have gotten to know the lunar surface in incredible detail. But how about what's underneath the surface? Hidden beneath the moon's layers of dusty regolith are lava tubes. These subterranean spaces offer scientists hope that we could one day use them for building lunar colonies. But they've never been explored before, at least not yet. That's where Asagumo comes in.
Asagumo is the first working rover that will be sent to the moon next year.
Asagumo is the latest rover from Spacebit, a space technology company based in the United Kingdom. It's set to launch on board the UK's first mission to the moon and will be the first rover ever sent to explore the lunar lava tubes.
It's small, it weighs just 1.5 kilos. The main uniqueness is that it uses legs instead of wheels.
We've used massive wheel bots as our means of exploration for years. So why is it time to move into a design with legs?
We really believe that legs would provide Asagumo a possibility to travel through rough terrain.
Lava tubes will present the bot with a much more rugged landscape than the moon's exterior.
Basically, lava tube is just a long cave made by lava a long time ago. On Earth, we can find lava tubes as well. We really hope that lava tubes could be used as a really nice place for sustainable human lunar base. These lava caves should protect from temperature, from radiation, from small meteorites and other types of potential things that can harm humans.
Because no one has had a chance to explore these lava tubes yet, there are still many unknowns, but we think they're there because of the steep pits or skylights we've spotted on the moon's surface. Asagumo will be tasked with identifying whether any of these suspected caves could be a suitable future home for humans. But as Asagumo prepares to take one giant step for robot kind, you might be wondering, how will its design help meet this ambitious goal?
The main goal is to walk for 10 meters. And during that walk, we will gather telemetry and a lot of data.
But there are so many variables when tackling a design that involves so many moving parts, literally.
Legs consume a lot of power. You have to have a really fancy algorithms that are responsible for stabilization. Legs in Asagumo have 3 degrees of freedom, and it means that each leg had 3 motors. In general, everything makes the mission really complicated.
But one of the ways the Spacebit team has helped alleviate some of these issues is by having Asagumo walk using a specific static gait or walking style that it can adjust depending on the kind of environment it's in.
It moves one leg at a time, and at any given point in time, the robot can just stop moving any legs and it will stand still. The main disadvantage of this type of gait is that it's really slow. And the main benefit is that it's really stable.
Even though it's tiny, the rover still packs a punch. Asagumo has an onboard computer, LiDAR system, radiation and temperature sensors, multispectral camera, memory card, Wi-Fi link, and a single 4-watt solar panel. Also, in case I forgot to mention, the team outfitted Asagumo with some artificial intelligence to make it semi-autonomous.
Semi-autonomous means that it has some degree of autonomy, but it's not able to plan the full mission by itself. So when we are talking about fully autonomous vehicles, we are talking about achieving certain goals. Like, for example, we can say, hey, walk there.
While all of this sounds and possibly looks like science fiction, this is just the beginning.
The first mission will be a technical demo, and after that we hope that we will be able to send up to 4 Asagumos in one mission. And we hope that in 5 or 10 years, Moon will be inhabited by a lot of small Asagumos.
In addition to being a first for the UK, this mission could be a game changer for establishing lunar colonies on the moon. I know when this launch comes around, I'll be keeping an eye out for all the big discoveries made by this little bot. Did you know that the moon is just about 30 Earths away from us? So close, yet so far away. Be sure to subscribe to Seeker for all your lunar updates, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.